How to add door access card to iPhone. Adding a door access card to your iPhone can be done through the Apple Wallet if your building or organization supports digital access cards compatible with iOS. So to do so, first of all you have to check compatibility. Ensure that your building or workplace uses a digital access system compatible with Apple Wallet. Then, once you check that, to add access card to Apple Wallet, you have to go to the settings. If you scroll down there, you will see Apple Wallet just below App Store if it is available under your country. Once you go through the Apple Wallet, you will see Add Card option. Once you add your card, your digital access card will appear in Apple Wallet app. In this way, you can easily add door access card to iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.